everybody, it's your girl Miss T. Thanks so much for stopping by, and if this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. So guys, as you know, Easter is right around the corner and we got to get some delicious desserts on the menu. So today I'll be sharing my Raspberry Lemon Cheesecake Bar recipe. Yes. As always, if you have any questions or comments about this recipe, please leave them down below. Now stay tuned for the video. So guys, the first step of this recipe is to prepare our graham cracker crust. You're going to need some graham cracker crumbs, some butter, and some sugar. If you're lucky enough, you can find the crumbs already packaged and ready to go at the grocery store. But if you can't, just go ahead and put your graham crackers in a bag and crumble them up. I'm going to beat the heck out of mine with a rolling pin. So you're going to mix the graham cracker crumbs, the sugar, and the butter together, and then we're going to put this in our pan and bake it for about 10 minutes. So guys, for the next step, we're going to need about 4 packages of the 8-ounce Philadelphia cream cheese. We're going to combine this, sugar, our lemon juice, and our lemon zest. You're going to have to mix it for about 4 or 5 minutes. And then for our next step, we're going to add our eggs. You're going to need 4. We're going to slowly add in 1 egg at a time and stir the mixture until it is fully incorporated. And we're going to use a low speed. We don't want to overmix this batter. And then finally, we'll add in our raspberries, but we don't want to use a mixer for this part. We're just going to use a spoon or whatever stirrer that you have hanging around and slowly stir in our raspberries. Now that all of the ingredients are in the mixture, we're going to slowly pour this over our crust and bake at 325 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes. So when the cheesecake comes out of the oven, we're going to want to put this in the refrigerator for about 4 hours so it cools completely. So guys, for the last step, we're going to take our cheesecake out of the refrigerator and garnish it with some fresh raspberries and lemon zest. Doesn't that look beautiful? It doesn't get much easier than that. You got a beautiful cheesecake ready to go for Easter. Guys, I hope you really enjoyed this recipe. As always, thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already and you like the content, please subscribe. Please subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Peace.